Welcome field supervisors. Today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of how to view student work and add feedback to it for them. So we're going to open up our Tk20 student binder by going into our field experience area and clicking on the blue link with the student's name in our field binder list. Once we open it, we're going to see on the left all of the students' forms and work that's been submitted, and on the right all of our forms that need to be submitted as a supervisor. So on this home page, all we're going to see are due dates. So we're going to want to click on the tab that houses the information we're trying to view. So you'll see this student has already completed their emergency contact form. Now just because the link is blue does not mean it is completely completed. So you may see areas of the form that were required that still don't have information in them. Now this student's information has all been completed and they have submitted it, so they can't edit it, and you can see all of their information. Now if you wanted to print this information, you can go to the print friendly view up here. It will open it in a full screen view, and if I right click on that and select print, it will allow me to either send it to my printer, or down at the bottom I can open it as a PDF and save it. So we're going to cancel that, and I'm going to go back out of my print view here, and I'm going to see what my student might have submitted in terms of a document submission or an actual upload. So here is the student lesson plan 1. So they've already submitted it. The link is blue. Remember, if it's not blue, it means nothing's been submitted. You can also see when it was submitted and the type of submission here. So I'm going to select the lesson plan that's been submitted, and I'm going to scroll down and I will see the upload at the bottom. Now if they submit a PDF or a Word document, I will be able to view and annotate, or I will be able to download. So if I select view and annotate, it's going to open this file that they've submitted right here in Tk20. And if I want to comment on the materials needed, I just double click, I get my comment box, I open it, I add my comment, very thorough, great ideas, and I hit save. And now when the student mouses over this in their assignment feedback area, they will see all of your feedback. Once I'm done with that, there's nothing I need to do. You'll notice there's no submission button at the bottom. That feedback is automatically saved the minute I put it in there. So that is how you add feedback to a student binder. The student will see it in their assignments area in their view, and they have instructions on that found in the Tk20 help area of Blackboard. Please let me know if you have any questions and email those to tk20support@uc.edu.